Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best devices? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best devices of all time. Today we are making videos on best-selling home gadgets. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box. Where Product 1, product name Galaxy Star Projector. The Galaxy Star Projector LED Night Light is a captivating device designed to bring the mesmerizing beauty of the night sky into any space. This innovative gadget utilizes LED technology to project a stunning array of stars, constellations, and galaxies onto the walls and ceiling, creating a tranquil and enchanting atmosphere reminiscent of a clear night under the stars. With its compact and portable design, the Galaxy Star Projector can be easily placed in any room, making it an ideal addition to bedrooms, living rooms, or any other area where relaxation and ambience are desired. Whether used as a night light for children, a decorative accent for home decor, or a unique gift idea, this projector adds a touch of celestial wonder to any environment. Featuring adjustable brightness levels and multiple projection modes, users can customize their experience to suit their preferences, whether they prefer a subtle calming glow or a more vibrant and dynamic display. Additionally, the inclusion of an astronaut Product 2, product name Namus 500 cubic meters Smart Aroma Diffuser. The Namus 500 cubic meters Smart Aroma Diffuser is an innovative device designed to enhance ambient environments through aromatherapy and scent diffusion. With a capacity to cover spaces up to 500 cubic meters, this smart diffuser offers a comprehensive solution for homes, offices, or commercial spaces seeking to create a pleasant atmosphere. Equipped with essential oil compatibility, the Namus 500 cubic meters Smart Aroma Diffuser allows users to enjoy the therapeutic benefits of aromatherapy. Whether it's relaxation, stress relief, or mood enhancement, users can customize their environment by selecting their preferred essential oils. Furthermore, the device boasts smart features, enabling remote control and scheduling via a smartphone app or compatible smart home systems. This level of control enhances convenience and ensures that users can easily manage their aromatic experience from anywhere. Designed with us, that aroma diffuser seamlessly integrates into various interior settings, serving as both a room fragrance device and an air freshener. Its sleek design and compact footprint make it an unobtrusive addition. Product 3, product name Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. The 9-in-1 electric cleaning brush is a versatile and efficient tool designed to simplify household cleaning tasks. Powered by electricity, this spin cleaning scrubber offers a convenient and effective way to clean various surfaces in the home, from the kitchen to the bathroom. With its multiple interchangeable heads, it serves as a comprehensive cleaning solution for different areas and surfaces. This electric cleaning tool is particularly useful for tackling tough stains and grime, providing a powerful scrubbing action to lift dirt and debris effortlessly. Its versatility makes it suitable for a range of cleaning applications, including scrubbing floors, tiles, sinks, countertops, and other hard-to-reach areas. Whether used in the kitchen for cleaning grease and food residues or in the bathroom to remove soap, scum, and mildew, this electric cleaning brush offers a time-saving solution to house. Product 4, product name Wall Storage Hook. The wall storage hook is a versatile solution for organizing spaces efficiently, particularly in kitchens and bathrooms. Available in packs of 5, 10, or 20 pieces, these hooks offer a practical way to store various items, such as power plug sockets, kitchen utensils, towels, and other essentials. One notable feature of these hooks is their punch-free design, which means they can be installed without the need for drilling holes in walls, making them ideal for rental properties or areas where drilling may not be permitted. Instead, they utilize adhesive backing, ensuring easy and damage-free installation on most surfaces. The hooks boast a stealthy appearance, seamlessly blending into the surroundings while providing reliable support for hanging items. This stealthy design adds to the aesthetic appeal of the space while maximizing functionality. In the kitchen, these hooks can be used to hang cooking utensils, oven mitts, or Product 5, motion sensor lights. Motion sensor lights are a convenient and energy-efficient lighting solution that automatically turns on when motion is detected in their vicinity. This technology is widely used in various settings, including homes, offices, and outdoor spaces. The motion sensor light described in the paragraph appears to be a versatile option suitable for indoor use, specifically designed for cabinets, bedrooms, wardrobes, and other indoor spaces. Key features highlighted include its wireless design and USB-powered functionality, which offer flexibility in installation and power source options. Additionally, the light seems to offer multicolor lighting options, with 3 colors available in a single lamp, providing users with customizable illumination to suit different preferences or needs. The use of motion sensor lights not only enhances convenience by eliminating the need for manual operation, but also contribute. Product 6. Fashion fake books. Fashion fake books are decorative items designed to mimic the appearance of real books, typically used for enhancing the aesthetic appeal of living spaces. These faux books often serve as storage boxes or ornaments, adding a touch of luxury and sophistication to home decor. Designed to resemble classic novels or elegant leather-bound volumes, fashion fake books come in various sizes, colors, and designs to complement different interior styles. They are commonly used in living rooms, studies, or home libraries to create a refined and cultured ambience. Despite their decorative nature, fashion fake books can also serve a practical purpose as storage containers, allowing homeowners to conceal small items or clutter within their style. Product 7. Motion sensor light. The motion sensor light LED USB nightlight is a convenient and energy-efficient lighting solution designed for various spaces, such as bedrooms, staircases, hallways, wardrobes, and cupboards. This innovative light fixture incorporates motion sensing technology, which means it activates automatically upon detecting motion within its vicinity. This feature makes it ideal for enhancing safety and convenience in areas where visibility may be limited, or where hands-free operation is desired. One of the standout features of this LED light is its rechargeable capability, thanks to its USB charging port. This not only eliminates the need for constant battery replacements, but also contributes to sustainability by reducing disposable battery waste. The rechargeable nature of the light ensures consistent illumination whenever needed, without the hassle of frequently replacing batteries. The LED technology utilized in this motion sensor light offers several advantages over traditional lighting options. LED lights have a longer lifespan, providing reliable and durable lighting solutions that require minimal maintenance. The compact and versatile design of the motion sensor light LED USB nightlight allows for easy installation and placement in various locations, whether mounted on walls, ceilings,